This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Bashardis. Thanks for joining us at xm.com. Growing optimism that a bipartisan deal on a new coronavirus aid package in the United States is within reach lifted equities on Wednesday while investors dumped the safe haven U.S. dollar. Talks between House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin continue to make progress, with the negotiations expected to extend at least into Wednesday. However, there's no word yet on a definite timeline for a deal, raising the prospect that any new stimulus bill would have to be put to a vote after the presidential election on November 3rd. But the bigger challenge will be to convince Senate Republicans to accept the deal. The size of the new relief bill is anticipated to be at least $1.8 trillion, with President Trump indicating he would be happy to go even higher. But given that many within his Republican Party are strongly against huge stimulus packages, will they succumb to pressure from the White House? Those worries held back advances on Wall Street on Tuesday, with the S&P 500 closing just 0.5% higher. E-mini futures were pointing to a flat open today, as apart from some doubts about the stimulus talks, disappointing earnings also cast a shadow. Netflix reported much worse than expected third-quarter results after yesterday's closing bell, amid signs the lockdown effect on revenue for some tech firms has started to fade. The next tech giant to report its earnings is Tesla, which will announce its results after today's market close. Another concern undermining the positive mood is a narrowing of Joe Biden's lead over Trump in some battleground states, suggesting a Biden victory is far from secure and the U.S. election result may yet end up being contested. But in the immediate term, investors appear to be focusing on the stimulus narrative and are selling off the greenback. The dollar index has plunged to one-month lows as the euro and pound power ahead. The euro in particular has rallied more than 1% this week, climbing above $1.1850. The pound, meanwhile, shot higher after the EU reiterated that it remains committed to reaching a compromise on a post-Brexit trade deal with the UK, sending the currency above $1.30. Gold was another winner on Wednesday, scaling a one-week high as the dollar lost ground. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at xm.com.